Hi, classmates. My name is Penn Shelton. I'm 30 years old and I live in Los Angeles, California, but I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm currently 6 months into the Widener program, and my professional background is in the substance abuse treatment field. I'm currently a case manager at a detox and 30-day residential program in Beverly Hills, and I have experience in other modalities and other levels of care. Um, Currently, my favorite classes so far have been classes with backgrounds expanding upon clinical interactions and philosophical frameworks. I find I get the most and enjoy the most of the individual and group counseling and clinical interactions. But I know going into social work that there would be a variety of educational background because of the wide array of scopes of practice for social workers. And I have to say, at first, I was not excited about policy because my interests are more at the individual and group clinical level than the macro level or even the meso level. But I have to say that the more I educate myself or get educated on all the variables that affect both individuals, groups, and communities, I've come to see that policy is extremely important for us as social workers to be aware of and involved in order to advocate the best for our clients. So I'm actually very excited to learn more about policy, more about history, and to see how it fits into the framework of my goals for future practice. Thanks. Looking forward to this class.